Y'all is not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Nothing.
I deserve that whip right there. I deserve to pull up to that big house in my name.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's ANTIGORGEOUS here with another hair review for you guys. This will be the unboxing video. I always do a second video on how I put on the wig. I'm thinking about doing a video on how I make this wig, but I'm not sure yet. So this hair that I'm going to be unboxing today is by Mike Shears. This is his logo. Thank you, Mike, for sending me some hair. So basically it's say from centimeters to inches in a matter of minutes. So he must know how to cut down some hair. The layers, the bobs. His name can't be for nothing. He sent me a frontal and 3 bundles of hair. I'm going to talk about how the hair smells, how long the hair is, how it feels, how the lace is, because with a lot of frontals do have thick lace, and it's kind of hard to like melt into your scalp and get that undetectable look. So we're going to check out all of those things in this video. All of these bundles and the frontal came in this bag, and it came with the card that I showed you guys earlier. So all of this came together, and this came in a regular mail bag. It didn't come in a box or anything, but that's fine with me. As long as I get my bundles, I can care less how it comes, as long as it's intact. I'm trying not to make a lot of noise with all these bags and talk at the same time. Okay, so the frontal comes in a bag like this. So this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal. It is a 1B and it's 18 inches. It comes in a net, so I'm just gonna take this net off. Bam, the lunch lady cap that I always refer to it as. This is the frontal. Oh, this frontal feels nice, and it looks like it's already pre-plucked up. Hold on. Some frontals come so thick that I have to pluck the frontal. This is how the frontal is looking up close. So what I'm talking about is like right here. This looks like it's been thinned out already, so you really don't have to go crazy on plucking this frontal. I'm not sure if he did this or his frontals just come like this. Hairline looks pretty decent. Like, it looks pretty decent. I believe this is the Indian like straight hair. That's what I asked for. So I think it's Indian straight, and it's very soft and it's not thin. It looks like the bundles look thin, but I am going to unwrap them because I do want to see how dense it is. But this frontal feels nice and it looks pretty good. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see this side. So the frontal is not huge, but I feel like most frontals come like this. So the lace, it doesn't feel too thick. I felt thinner lace than this, but I wouldn't have a problem putting this on. I think that my Yale Beauty hair that I wear this is thinner than the Yale Beauty lace. But that is something to consider when you are buying a frontal, is to make sure that the lace is as thin as possible, because that's going to give you that undetectable lace look. Well, not lace look, if that makes sense. Yeah, okay, moving on. Okay, so all of the hair is 1B. So my frontal is 18. I got a 20, a 22, and a 24. So it's gonna give me the nice long layers. I feel like all of the bundles should be the same. So, matter of fact, let's just take out the longest bundle. Because the longer the hair is, the thinner the bundle is. So I just wanna see how thick the longer bundle is. I like the fact that it comes with a tag and it comes with his logo. I like that he stamps his hair, and it comes with a little card that say hair care tips, and it's basically just telling you to once a week or every other week cleanse hair with moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Make sure that you have some really good shampoo and conditioner, and you just take care of your hair. If you take care of your weave will take care of you. It don't matter how cheap the hair is, how expensive the hair is. If you don't take care of your hair, it's gonna be trash. Please don't mind my cat. My cat's outside of my door because he wants to get in here. This hair, silky. Look at this. Just look at it. Let's look at the ends. So the ends look like they got clipped, which is not a bad thing. You know, sometimes you get long bundles and they look straggly. I actually don't mind the way that these ends look. This hair is definitely moving. It's moving. And it don't stink. It just smells like good weave. It just smells like good extensions. I was a little worried when I saw the hair. I'm like, is this gonna be enough bundles? Because it looked like it's a little thin, but my head is small and I always double my web, so I'm gonna use all of this hair. So to make sure that your hair is not shedding, always take the rubber band off, because that rubber band holds that hair tight And you will think that you got some bomb bundles until you take that rubber band off and start shedding everywhere. I don't know, that never really happens to me. But yeah, make sure you take the rubber band off to make sure that it's not shedding. So now that I got the rubber band off, I'm running my fingers through. I'm just getting like one hair, and it could be because I just tried to yank the rubber band off, but this hair is soft. I legit can't wait to put this in my hair. Like, I'm so excited. It's to my waist. You can't see, but it's to my waist. So this, I might just keep it long because I need to be shaking this hair. I am going to bleach the knots on the frontal, and I'm going to make a unit out of all 3 bundles of hair. And I'm thinking about doing a video, haven't decided yet. But this hair, y'all, Mike Shears, come on, come on. Like, look at it. Y'all got ass? Y'all got ass. So that is basically it for this video. My unboxing videos are not long at all because who wants to sit there and just tit for tat, you know if the hair is good or not. You can only really tell when you have the hair in your head. So that is it for this video. I legit want a ponytail with this low key though. Like, this ponytail will be lit. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Slay every day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.